challenge that you just experienced was me reenacting one of my favorite scenes from The Wizard of Oz, which is the tornado scene. Well, kind of. Like I was kind of reenacting it, but it is my favorite scene. But yes, there were tornadoes in Louisiana where I live. Of course not right next to me. Okay, so here's the story. I was auditioning for Como High School, which is the school that I want to go to next year, but I also want to go to NOCA, which is in New Orleans. So my auditions for NOCA and Como were set for Saturday, and that's New Orleans and Lafayette, Louisiana. So how am I supposed to get to both of those places at once? So we changed the rehearsal for Wednesday. Nope, not Wednesday, Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. And Tuesday I went in at 7:30 and I have to get to school by like 8:20. And I auditioned, but they didn't tell me that I needed a monologue. But of course I have the whole Wizard of Oz script memorized. Duh. And so I just reenacted the scene where the witch is on top of the house for the Tin Man scene.
Oh, but he will. He must. We've come such a long way already.
You call that long? Why, you just begun. Helping the little lady along, are you, my fine gentleman? Well, stay away from her, or I'll stuff a mattress with you. And you, I'll use you for a beehive. Here, Scarecrow, want to play ball?
We finished the audition, and on the way to like the bus stop, we hear tornado warnings, watches. And I said, "Hey, what's that about?" And she says, "Oh, it's for Baton Rouge." And then she gets an alert on her phone, and it says, "Tornado watches in Lafayette." And I was like, "What does that say?" And she says, "Tornado watches in Lafayette." And I was like, "Oh, cool." Because, I love The Wizard of Oz. So. But the reason why I love The Wizard of Oz is for another video. It's going to be the video after this, I guess. We had tornadoes in New Orleans.
In case it changes direction. Hey, Rick. Rick, just stay there. There's a tornado out here by Lucy right now. Over here, stay indoors. Alright. You can't see? What's right there?
Oh, the weather is an awesome thing to look at.
Yeah.
There it is.
Hey, Joe, welcome to Louisiana.
Y'all want to come too? Come on. Let me get back.
Now they got it on their devices.
The next one starts to come.
Hey, see it right there.
Hurry up. Hurry up, come see it. It's coming this way, look.
You know, I just want
It's right on top of us now. Look, right there, look.
Alright.
No, but look. You get the double one right now from this side. Watch.
Yeah, look.
You're the full one right there.
I feel like to be in the boat right now. Well, I've been on a lot worse than that.
So, yeah, there were lots of tornado watches until 2 o'clock, and we didn't have any tornadoes. We're fine at the school. So, yeah, that happened, and we're safe. I'm alright, sadly. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.